Hi guys, my name is Ira. I make beauty and life content over here on YouTube. If you're new here, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video and you get notified. With that, let's just get started. So I am doing a beginners friendly makeup look today. Actually, beginners are suffering a lot because they do not practice things. They do not practice to do the liner and they are like, no, we are unable to do. No, we are unable to do. First, practice is the key. If you're practicing, definitely you'll get it. So beginners, they don't like too much of products on their skin. They're like, what is this? They don't know the concept of each product, so we'll make it easy for them. So I'm using a moisturizer cum primer so that it is easy for them to apply just one product. Okay, we are done. So I'm using this primer, which is illuminating as well as it is priming my skin so that they are easily understanding the process. Later on, they will understand what is oil serum, what is the facial oil, everything. They'll understand by their own. But in the starting, they need very minimal products. So I'm taking my moisturizer cum primer on my face. Look good. But if you want coverage, go with the high coverage foundation. If you want low coverage, it is according to you. If you want high coverage, go with the high coverage foundation. If you want low coverage, go with the medium coverage of foundation. That's it. We should not apply layers and layers of foundation. That is first point, wasting your product, and second point, damaging your skin, and the third point, caking up your face. It doesn't look good at all. So after this, what I am going to do is I'm using the sugar stick in the places where I have dark spots or pigmentation like that. Use same shade of your skin tone over there, like here. We are not applying too much of product, remember that. Over here, over here. That's it. Now we get a brush over here. You can use this brush. I think I'll use this brush today. Okay, I'm using this brush and blending all the product. I'll blend this and I'll be back. As you can see, I have applied the foundation stick only on the places where I have dark circles, dark spots, pigmentation, that sort of things. I've not applied on my entire face. On my entire, okay, this became as my concealer. Now my concealing is done. Now I'm going to go with the L'Oreal foundation, True Match. It is in the shade 1N Ivory. I'm going to take little bit of, very little. You can just see the amount I'm taking, very little foundation. Now, I am going to take my beauty blender, put the foundation on the places where I have not put the concealer. Like this. Now, slowly spread all over your skin. This foundation is a little lighter on my skin tone, but a hack which I use for my lighter foundations is, see, I am using a lighter foundation on my skin. Now what I will do is, I will use a darker compact so that it will match my skin. See, as you can see, I'm done half of my face. Take it to your neck also, don't forget your neck. Please don't apply too much of product. See, I'm taking very little. Still this much of amount is left on my hand and I've completed half of my face. Now, I'll just do the other part and I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I've completed my full face and it is looking skin-like. It is not looking that I've put on too much of product. It is looking skin-like, which is a good thing. Matches my skin tone well. Now I'm gonna set my entire face with it. I'm not baking. I'm just setting my face. Please don't forget your ears. Every time you put on foundation, your compact or anything, include your neck as well as your ears in it. So as you can see, my base is complete now. I've not put too much of powder on this part because I'm going to apply lipstick blush. What hack I'm going to use is, I've took some liquid lipstick in this shade. I've put on some lipstick on my hand and I am adding a little bit of moisturizer to it this way and mixing it really well. This will become your liquid blush and it will give you a very beautiful effect. Now I'm taking a little more lipstick. Okay, now I'm good to go. I'm just slowly dabbing and I'm blending it very fast. Okay. Same on this side. I'm taking my product, I'm adding it, and again doing the same thing. That's it. As you can see, it is very subtle and very nice. So now I'm doing my eyes. In eyes, I'm going very basic. I'm not doing any dark shadows. It's just a common everyday sort of look. So I'm taking this brown from Glam 21. I'm dusting the excess powder off. And I'm just gonna create my crease. As you can see, that's all, nothing more. Just brush your this thing, excess all, and just run through your brush from your eyes. That's it. Now I'm taking a very neutral shade, but it has some shimmer this thing in it, this one, and I'm mixing it with this one. I'm putting it on my eyes, not too much. I've put on some liner and some mascara. Now I'm using this one for my detailing part, like my inner corners a little bit. That's it. And my brow bone. Both the sides. And this side too. Now I'm taking a bigger brush, like this one. I'm taking a bigger brush and I'm highlighting my face, my cheeks. And I'm putting it on my apples of the cheeks also. All my high points, my light to your cheeks. And my... Now I'm using this maroon lipstick because all my makeup is neutral. I want to go a little heavy with my this one, lips. I'm using this lipstick first. This is peachy and pinkish color. It is almost, I have all the lipsticks in this color itself. And guys, this is my full look. This is the beginners friendly look and it is very comfortable to carry. It is not so heavy and it doesn't look too much of makeup. It's just the right amount of makeup to your everyday looks, to your college, to your office and everything. And it is a very subtle glowy base, as you can see. I'm loving it. I have not applied any eyeshadows on top. I've just added a bronzy shade on my crease so that it is defined it well. I've not did any contouring. I've just added some blush. That's it. And this is my lips shade, this one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video and you get notified. Bye bye.